Ay, kasi hindi kumakarga si Lian eh. Pawis na pawis na.
Naglalaro ng laway. Sarili ko.
Walang pakita.
Let's check out that chile. I thought you're putting her to sleep. I thought you're putting... Why are you playing with her? Oh, yan. Weren't you sleeping, baby? Because it's your birthday? It's your birthday, that's why you're not sleeping yet? Huh? Is it your birthday, my love? Huh? Today's your birthday? How many visitors do you already have? A lot. A lot? You were sleeping, that's why you didn't see them.
Where are they?
They left. They left already.
Why?
Because they have another party to attend to.
They were here at night?
No, earlier. Mean, Ate Mean, Tita Mean, Jepoy.
They were here now?
Early this morning.
When Kaya was here?
Yes.
Playing now?
When you two of you are playing. Right, Lian? You smile for me? You smile at mommy?
Yeah.
No, don't do that. Sige nga, can you smile for mommy? Ah.
Smile.
Yo. She likes raising her legs, no? You notice that? She likes that. Okay. Say hi. Huh? Oh, sige. That's enough. Happy birthday. 3. Can you see it? Can you show? 3.
1, 2, 3. Ha!
Might hurt her.
Okay.
See ya.